last week identified a curious trend of consumers that are starting to forego the latest wave of technology-laden new vehicles and instead turning to more analog versions of slightly used vehicles. There seems to be a belief among some consumers that automakers' latest and greatest offerings, whether powered by gas, batteries, or hybrids, are inferior to the products they are replacing. The elimination of analog switches and dials and virtualization of once simple, reachable controls into iPhone-like menus has left many frustrated and craving for the simplicity of earlier generations of cars.
Hey everyone, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
So I've been saying this for years because I don't, when I'm, yes, I own a car dealership. But my background is actually automotive technician. So I've been a technician in the industry for 15 years now. And I've been saying this all along that the more bells and whistles the vehicle has, the more problems arise, especially down the road. So a lot of people, will get the fully loaded version with, all the different options and it's all fun and games, and it's great when the car is newer and, it has no, for the most part, no problems. But when these cars start to get older, the more, electronics it has, the more screens it has, as they were saying that, now even to turn your, turn off your, your climate control, all that, they don't have actual knobs and switches anymore. It's all within the main screen. So if that screen goes down, you virtually lose you just lose the functionality of almost everything inside of your vehicle. Like Tesla's a great example of that. Everything is controlled through the main screen that's in the dash. So if something happens with that screen or it goes down, you just lost pretty much all the functionality of your vehicle's interior. So yes, these things are nice, but when it comes to servicing these things, it's going to be a nightmare. When these cars get older, it's going to be a nightmare. And I can tell you, I have a 24 Corvette, brand new car. It doesn't even have 1,000 miles on it. And already, I've noticed some things with the electronics on it that are funny. Last few days, I did an update on it. And last few days, now, sometimes when I get out of the car, the radio doesn't shut off. So I'll get out of the car. And usually what it is you turn the car off and the radio stays running until you open the door. As soon as you open the door, the body control module kills the power to the radio, everything shuts off. That's how it's supposed to be. But what I've noticed in the last few days, sometimes randomly what will happen is that even though I'll open the door, the radio will not turn off. It'll still be playing whatever audio was from my Bluetooth. And then I'll get out of the car, close the door, arm the security system, lock the doors, and the the audio still doesn't turn off. It's still playing my audio. So these things, as the vehicles get more and more complex and more and more electronics get put into them, these are problems that are going to arise. This is a brand new car. I personally, this vehicle, as much as I love it, I can't see myself ever holding a car like this out of warranty. It's just the way it is, because there's going to be so much issues, and the issues is not just that we can fix these issues are major issues. It's not just something that you can fix, and these are all electronics, and all the electronics are completely these cars have 100, 200 modules, some of them more now. And for you to even pinpoint that and to diag that, and then even if you diag it, to replace the modules and to program them, flash them, it's going to be hundreds, if not thousands and thousands of dollars just to fix a simple problem, which before could have been a small little switch or something, anything that you could just change out, which wouldn't be a big deal. But now that the cars are getting more and more complex, people are going to start to really, really feel the pain when they go to service these vehicles. And that's why I completely agree with the article. And people are, looking to that, and now they're trying to find vehicles that are, just more and more simple, because the real thing is that nobody wants to deal with that. Nobody wants to have a car that has a simple problem, and now it's going to cost them $3,000-$4,000 to fix that. Before $3,000-$4,000 to fix them, that would be your engine, your transmission. That would be the major failures on a car. Aside from that, everything was just regular service, regular maintenance. Now, parts that that are not even a mechanical aspect of the vehicle are going to be costing $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and I don't think consumers are ready for that.